So okay, so this is small warning message. And then there are outbound rules, so you can configure the outbound rules also. So you're seeing on the screen there are the same configuration like, okay, so http tcp. Okay, so where you will be receiving the request from, this is the port range. It can be anything, you can give a range, specific port range. Okay, so these all the ports you configure for the security group. Okay, give some specific also, it's fine. Okay, you can configure any destination, and you can give some tags also. Tags are just a key value pair, just to highlight like which resource is associated with what tag. Okay, so let's create our security group. Okay, it's getting created. So you'll see the security group id is sg hyphen, that's why in the naming it doesn't allow that. In the vpc id is also there, I'll explain it in detail. Inbound rules, you can edit the inbound rules, outbound rules anytime for the security group.